everybody, welcome back for another video. As you can see, this is an unboxing, and it probably said on the thumbnail, but the reason we're here is because of these pens and multi-pen pencil. I got this. It is a Mitsubishi Pure Malt Jetstream. It has a mechanical pencil. Oop, come on. A mechanical pencil, black ink, and red ink. And of course you can fill those with any color, but that's what it came with. And I got that back in 2015. Then I discovered a year or so after that, like towards the end of 2017, 2018, that they had the same type of a pen, but with a larger, it's just with one ink. And so it had more ink in it. These tend to be quite small, like they're very thin. So you get very little ink in them, except you do get more ink in the Uni Jetstream than you do in like the Pilot Coletto. So that is one thing that is nice about those. But I was always refilling those, and I wanted to get a pen like it that had more ink. So I got these right here. What is really unique about this line, it's called the Pure Malt. And you'll see how it's like, it's a combination of plastic, metal, plastic, and wood. And the wood is recycled wood from the, since it's called Pure Malt, barrels that they use to age whiskey. And so that's why they have these really amazing colors, because they do, on the inside of the barrels, they do like burn them before they put the alcohol, or what will become the alcohol, because the natural sugars of the wood help add flavor to the alcohol that they're making. So I love these pens, and I use this one like almost every single day. I'm surprised it hasn't like worn away how much I love it and use it. But I bought something from, you can probably see their Amazon.co.jp, Japan, not me, John Philip. And let me, okay, I think I left the receipt in there. Yes. And the receipt's all in Japanese, so I will save it for my journaling. But you see there it says Mitsubishi Pencil Co. Limited. And the box got a little smashed, but I mean, that's understandable. It's coming from Japan. Order is in Japanese. But you can see it was 2,999 yen. Shipping was 2,656 yen. Discounts was 2,503 yen. Order total was 3,152 yen. I actually only paid, originally ended up being like $20, but I had a like $11.50 or 25-cent gift card. So I paid just over $10 for this from Amazon Japan. So that was really cool. So, oh, here we go. It says Pure Malt, Mitsubishi. Yeah, it didn't say that on the back. It just has like a bunch of numbers about what it is. So, dun 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 dun. Oh, it has a little thing. So, I had heard rumors that there was, oh, this feels nice. I had heard rumors that there was, you know how this is a pen? I had heard rumors that there was a Pure Malt that was like all wood with a little bit of metal in the middle, and this is like all metal and wood. There's no plastic. That there was this pencil made from the same type of malt from the barrel. Ooh. I wish there was paperwork with it. There's no paperwork. You know how they sometimes include all that paperwork? So this is a pure malt pencil. And I wonder if there's an eraser. Oh my goodness, look. There's an eraser under there. See that? Everything about this pencil is metal. So let me open my Foxy Fix. This is the notebook that I use to keep track of things for YouTube and Patreon. It is a Foxy Fix Rowena in the standard single elastic size, kind of like the Midori, except it's a Foxy Fix, so they're quite chunky. I've got my new monthly calendar, which will be available on Patreon soon. It's with the month on one page and then dot grid. And I'm using this for tracking in here. So, or I will be using it for tracking in here. These are some stickers, which I think I mistakenly let that video go public on YouTube as well, but that's okay. That way you can see exactly what I do here on YouTube or on Patreon. I guess it's a good little advert. So let me go back to here. Okay, let me get my sticker book out of the way. So this is the original one that I got, the original pen. I think I think it works. So that's right. Yeah, it does. Pure malt. And this is the only one I left the sticker on. I think it is 05. And then the red. I really can't remember the last time I've written in, oop, there we go. Oop. I think I need to put some more lead in there. I haven't used it that much. Pure malt, 05. So that's the original. Now this one, yeah, pure malt. And I have in it a 07 Pentel Energel. That's like my favorite. And I have that exact same thing in this one. Pure malt, 07 Pentel Energel. That's my favorite ink. And I love that you can fit the Pentel in there. It's a tight fit, but you can. But this is the new version. You would think that it opens there, but it doesn't. It opens down here, I think. So this is the, let's just write Mitsubishi. Oop. I thought I had it too low. Pure malt. Mechanical pencil. And it's a little bit smaller. I like that. Well, not a lot. Well, but it is. But this is heavier than this. And I think it's because of, number one, it's like all wood. That would be really nice if they had these all wood. And this came in the dark color, and it also came in a lighter color. I wanted to get in a dark wood. I do have to say this was lighter when I got it, so it has darkened over time. So I wonder if that would happen with this as well. But I got it mainly because I like sketching with my Staedtler pencil, and I like sketching with a mechanical pencil. I like it much more than a like a pencil that you sharpen. We're just gonna kind of draw a pumpkin real quick. So you can see I drew a little pumpkin shape, kind of a squared off, rounded off, a rounded off rectangle of sorts. Let's see how the eraser works. I always worry about these erasers because they're sometimes difficult to find the replacements. So I normally don't use those from here because they're sometimes difficult to find. So here you can see we have a cute little pumpkin. I'm just kind of drawing little twists. And you know how pumpkins kind of get like little marks and dots, bumpies towards the bottom. And then there's usually some sort of a vine. And let's actually use this. That's kind of, I'm not gonna, the top of it. I'm just kind of doing some loose sketching. Since it was such a short little unboxing. Let's just put some little there, you drew yourself a little pumpkin. You can slow it down. A couple of years ago, I've been doing it for 2 years now. I started it usually in the middle of September through the end of October. I try to draw a pumpkin every day, and my pumpkins have gotten a lot better. So just use of a pencil, an eraser, and a pen. So there you are, just a short little unboxing of my Mitsubishi Pure Malt recycled, you know, whiskey barrel pencil. It's very, very, very cool. I feel very lucky to have one. You can order it from Amazon US, Amazon.jp, whichever you want. I will put a link to the one that I ordered. And if you have any questions, please leave a question down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can, okay? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Oops, it rolled away.